We cook 1 cup of lentils. Meanwhile, let's chop vegetables. Medium red bell pepper.
We chose red pepper as it's the leader in vitamin C and antioxidants, among others.
Small bunch of lettuce.
Extra high source of vitamin A. Half of your daily intake in this small amount.
2 medium tomatoes.
Perfect source of antioxidants and potassium.
Now cooked lentils. Very small bunch of salt. Black pepper. Any spices to your taste. And 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix and enjoy.
We calculated the nutritional values of 1 portion of this salad, half of all we made. As you see, it's high in complete protein and extra rich in fiber. Almost 3 times more than recommended for these calories. So it will keep you full for a very long time, promoting weight loss and preventing from constipation. Also, fiber together with omega-3 support normal blood sugar levels, heart health, and even mood and longevity. Good source of iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper, mostly from lentils. Real collagen booster, especially if you're vegan. Also potassium, mostly from tomatoes, balances water in the body and is essential for nerve signals and muscle contraction, including the heart. Lettuce and peppers enrich this salad with lots of vitamins and bring even more health benefits. Support vision, boost immunity, collagen production, and iron absorption. And vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. In next videos, we are planning to review foods that boost brain, eye health, and slow down aging. Also foods rich in different nutrients.
And healthy foods recipes from the author of this channel every Friday.
So subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. You will also support the development of this channel.
Thank you so much for watching.